Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're not new, welcome back. So today I just wanted to come do a get ready with me because I'm about to get ready to go out and go to the movies, and I'm about to just do my makeup and do my hair and stuff like that. And yeah, so let's get started. I'm just gonna do something like really simple. So I'm gonna start with my hydration. I'm gonna start with moisturizer, and I just got this today, this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Moisturizer, and I'm gonna do a review on the whole line and my new skincare routine and all that good stuff pretty soon. Now I'm going to do my brows. I'm just using this little elf gel, and my mirror's over here obviously, so sorry like looking at me. But yeah, I be this in my and stuff sometimes, and I'm really sorry about that. I go through a lot in life. Everybody go through a lot, I know, but when I go through stuff, I just shut down and just, you know. Dang it, I don't have a brow brush, and I'm just stuck in the closet. Yeah, I record on a video. I'm in the closet now. Stuck in my closet. My brows, I just got my brows waxed. Today, I just got them. So I can use this, I guess, and I just wanna. A couple things, and I'm super excited about my line that's about to come out, BeautyByAlexis, and I'm just super excited about that. So I've been working on that because I'm launching one of my products really soon, and yeah, I have stuff for guys, girls, yeah, and I didn't just want it to be a cosmetics line or just, you know, or just lashes and stuff like that, because I do want that to be a part of my business. I mean, a part of my company's products, but I didn't want that to be just what it is. Now, I wanted something that I could do for everybody, because I feel like when people hear beauty, they just think of one thing, which is cosmetics, and that's what everybody's thinking it's just it. But no, I really want it to be more than that. So yeah. So guys, I'm not gonna talk that much about it, my products, until at least together a little bit more, because it's the cutest. I got this 2 weeks ago, and never used it. But yeah. So y'all, yeah, I got a lot of things coming, and you know, it's been kind of hard balancing my life. You know, and I've been getting my life in order, and this brow is really cute. You know, it's cute. Equally cute. At first it was looking like a mess. But yeah. So I just was like, you know, I just knew I wanted to do something for me, because you gotta invest in yourself, honey. So yeah. Everybody have different goals and dreams, and I know what I want. You know, so for my business, come on, y'all, just make sure I support it. But yeah, like I was saying, nice now that my life is like back in order and I'm feeling better and things like that, because I have like really bad anxiety. So when something's not going right, or I feel like everything's about to fall flat, it's terrible to say, but I do break down. I break down. It's okay to say it. You know what I'm saying? It's okay to say you break down. Because I definitely do. You know? I definitely break down. And I think it's okay. It's okay. Because it's life. And things happen in life. But the thing about breaking down, you gotta get back up. You gotta and make things happen, man. I'm making my brand. And working on my life balance, balancing my life as well, because I want to spend more time with my friends and my boyfriend on top of that. So I've been working on balancing and working on like my calendars and planning better, so I'm better organized, and it's been working tremendously. Okay, so I am gonna tell you my tips and tricks when it comes to my online planning and stuff like that. So yeah, we're gonna get into that, but I used it the other day. I don't know why it's not in here with me, but yeah, I used it the other day, and like I think I took because I was taking my time doing my makeup. I think that's what it was. I was using it when it was like more wet. You know what I'm saying? Because they get the phases when it's like damp, and then it's like very used to with water, and I think that's what I've been doing. So what I've been doing is to make sure I'm not using too much water. I actually been like squeezing out the excess water with the towel. So, and that's been working for me. So yeah, I like that. So yeah, I like that. And I did do a survey, guys, on what day should I upload in. So yes, I'm gonna upload, I'm gonna start back uploading once a week, unless it's something like I really want to get out there. And yeah, because I'm working on music and doing a lot of other things, and I still want to make sure I'm uploading to my channel because it's something that I like, you know. And I like making videos, and now I'm getting more comfortable like talking to you guys. So you know, yeah. So now I just do it, you know, because I like doing it. I love doing it. You know, in the beginning, I was kind of shy in front of that camera because, yeah, but now I'm just feeling more confident in my channel. You know, it's my baby. So, yeah. So, y'all, I'm going to mix my powders. So, okay, funny story. Well, not funny story. Fun fact, this LA color was my very first setting powder ever. And it's in shade Natural. And I got it from Family Dollar, y'all. I see everybody using like banana powder and stuff like that. So I was like, oh my god, I want to try some loose powder. So I found this, and I didn't even know like anything that much about like loose powders and stuff. I didn't know about none of the good brands and stuff like that. So I'm gonna mix this one. But yeah, y'all, I know just fell in love with powder. This is actually a really good powder. Okay, then I'm gonna mix my chocolate buttercup. This is like gold. I like the golden. And then I'm gonna mix banana powder by Midnight because this powder is just amazing, and it gives me a little tint of lightness, because these other ones are like my skin tone. And I'm just shaking it around, y'all. And then I'm gonna put it under my eye. I have a sponge down here. I do. I'm gonna put this. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, nothing like a new sponge for you. But yeah. So I think I'm gonna start off uploading on Sundays because I feel like everybody be busy on Friday. You know, first of all, college weekends start on a Thursday. And I feel like it's always a party or something like that. So I feel like Sundays are like the days where people are like relaxing you know, chilling, like really chill days, you know. And that's what I like about Sundays. And I feel like people like they're kind of bored or their weekends really down. The weekends really be winding down, you know. Contour for I'm saying I'm gonna be out for a couple hours in the dark, you know. And I'm so happy with friends. I don't have any friends in Ipsy. Like I really but I'm at Nick's shop. It's a really sweet girl, and we're going out. We did what did we do together? Our first time going out together, we actually went and did the hot yoga. Guys, it was really crazy. It was really intense, like really intense. But I survived it. So, you know, it was nice and it was fun. I've been getting requests too about like my workouts and stuff like that. But like, I'm not professional or nothing like that. I will show you what I be doing. I also do like meal prepping and all that type of stuff too. So if y'all want a video on my meal prepping and stuff, just let me know. And now I gotta blend drugstore like extra lash. This is my one. Okay, my favorite. It makes me look like I have on like not falling, but like individuals. It's so cute. I'm gonna find it. It's so cute. You see that? I just turned into a different bitch. Okay. I'm sorry, different. I just turned into a different girl. Okay, different girl. Who is she? Excuse me. Did you say something? Don't talk to me. Don't. Because I don't have it. I just don't. But I just like really good. Because we're gonna put highlighter and do our lips. And then to go. All over the place. This is my It's clear. Okay, boom. There's our makeup look. Do y'all want to see my hair? I'll do it real quick. I'm gonna do my hair real quick. So I'm about to go get my wig and stuff. So I'll be right back. Y'all, I just throw my wig on. I don't lay my lace unless I'm going to work or something because I work with clients and I can't work for them trying to snatch my wig off. So yeah. Okay, so we got our wig on. Now I didn't have time to wash it, so I'm gonna use some of this Herbal Essence dry shampoo. Okay. Wig brush. Real quick. You see how clean it looks? How better it looks now? And I am going to put a little oil because this is color hair. So I'm going to put a little oil on it. And I yeah. Okay, so here's our wig. Now we're gonna add a little argan oil. Even if this wasn't color-ric, I still add oil on my wigs, like daily almost. Just like your hair, you want it to stay hydrated. And I'm lucky because my waves are still there, so yeah. Watch this. Okay. Oh, I know y'all thinking you look stunning. Thank you. But comment and let me know for real. Okay. Here's the look. So, and don't forget to like, comment. Ooh. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And ooh, my teeth up. Okay, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.